Hey everybody, it's Silver Husky. Hope you guys are doing great. Just wanted to let you guys know about this awesome giveaway that I'm going to be doing. This is for, I guess, in celebration of 1,000 subscribers on Instagram, which is kind of awesome. So just to put it out there that through Instagram, I'm doing this giveaway. But the entry requirement for this giveaway is subscribing on my YouTube channel. So if you're already subscribed, you can already be entered to this. Just go onto YouTube or onto Instagram and look up Silver Husky 81. You're gonna find on there this kind of this photo tag, and it's gonna be for this 1941 really cool Mercury dime. It's in awesome condition. And for any content providers on YouTube, just know that you can actually enter for a second one. The second one open to YouTube content providers would be just do a shout out video. And so there are two that I'll be giving away, one for content providers, one for people on Instagram. So yeah, you're welcome to enter for both. Extra entries can be given through Instagram. There's a couple different methods to do that, and it's all described there on the link, and I'll provide that link on the description. So looking forward to giving this away, and you know, as the subscribership goes up on YouTube, I'm definitely going to be doing a few more on there too, so keep on the lookout. Don't forget to hit the sub button, that way you can be alerted. Hit the bell, you'll be alerted to any new giveaways and all the new content that I'll be putting out there. So have a great day, guys, and good luck.